Hi everyone, welcome back to The Best Way from English Practice Every Day. I'm Kevin.
And I'm Jane. Today, Kevin, we're talking about something super important for learning English, real-life conversations.
Yes, it's all about actually speaking. No more just listening or reading.
Exactly. So, Kevin, how was your morning? Did you have any interesting real-life conversations yet?
Oh, I did. I actually had a small chat with the barista at the coffee shop. I asked her about her weekend. It's funny, these small talks are like tiny English practice sessions without even thinking.
They totally are. I chatted with my neighbor about the nice weather. Just, "Good morning, isn't it lovely today?" Simple things, you know. It makes me feel good to use English easily.
Mine too. It's these everyday moments that really help. And that's exactly what we want to talk about today. English speaking practice through real-life conversations. It sounds big, but it's actually very simple, right?
Absolutely. Many learners feel shy or scared to speak English. They think they need perfect grammar or big words, but that's not true for real-life conversations.
So what exactly does real-life conversations mean for someone learning English?
It means talking about everyday things, like your chat with the barista or me with my neighbor. It's about daily topics, the weather, food, your day, hobbies, asking for directions, shopping.
So not like talking about rocket science or philosophy?
Haha, exactly. Unless you're a rocket scientist, maybe. It's about easy topics that everyone can talk about.
Okay, simple topics. So how can our listeners start? What's the very first step?
The first step is to start with simple greetings. Hello, hi, how are you? Good morning. And then, listen to the answer. It's a two-way street.
Right, and respond simply, like, "I'm good, thanks." And you?
Yes, and then you can add a small detail, like, "I'm good, thanks. It's a sunny day today, isn't it?" This makes the conversation longer and more natural.
That's a great example. So we're building up slowly. What if someone doesn't have English-speaking friends or neighbors nearby?
Good question. You can practice with yourself. Talk to your reflection in the mirror. Describe your day out loud, or even narrate what you're doing. "I am making tea now, I need a cup."
That sounds a bit silly, but it works. I actually do that sometimes when I'm trying to remember new words.
It's not silly at all. It's active practice. You're using your mouth and your brain together. Another way is to join online language exchange groups. Many people want to practice English there, just like you.
Oh, that's a brilliant idea. You can talk to people from all over the world. So it's about being brave and just starting with simple sentences.
Yes. Don't worry about mistakes. Everyone makes them. The important thing is to communicate, to make someone understand you. That's real success.
So practice asking simple questions like, "What did you do today? Do you like coffee? What's your favorite food?"
Exactly. And practice answering them too. "I went to the park. Yes, I love coffee. My favorite food is pizza." Make it easy, make it fun.
And remember to speak out loud. Don't just think the words in your head, say them.
Your mouth needs practice too. It's like learning to play an instrument. You need to move your fingers. Here, you move your tongue and lips. Practice makes perfect.
So to recap for our listeners, real-life conversations are about simple, everyday topics. Start with greetings, then add small details. Don't be afraid of mistakes. And speak out loud as much as you can, even to yourself.
And remember, these small conversations are big steps in your English journey. Every hello counts towards your fluency.
We have a question for you. What was the last real-life conversation you had in English? Or what is one simple English phrase you use every day?
Please share your answers in the comments below. We love reading them and learning from you.
If you liked this episode and found it helpful, please give us a thumbs up, like this video, and subscribe to English Practice Every Day for more tips.
And share it with a friend who is also learning English. Help them on their journey too.
Thank you for joining us on The Best Way. We hope this helps you feel more confident about speaking English in real life.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye, everyone.